school counselors! Today I'm going to show you a couple of items that you should have in your school counseling's office, in some fidgets, calm down strategies, coping skills, or possible things that you can incorporate in your office. So let's go. Okay, the first thing that I want to show you, you can have your items in a thing like this one in the middle of your table. You can put it on the side, or you can have a box like this one. You are going to need some stress balls like this ones. You can have these ones with a different sensory thing. Stress balls or squishies, different types of them. They can choose. Usually that's what I do. I have too many, to be honest. These ones include some objects inside. These squishies, for example, this one has a hand. It will help them focus and try to calm down and get a little bit distracted with the things they can find. Also, you can give them a task like with the glitter bottles. Those when you say like, hey, try to find like 10 items, and that will help them to calm down. The famous puppet that everybody loves, and they do it like this. Some of them you can put them in the keychains. Squishy ball, this type of fidget. Let me see what else. This one's you put it on the pencils, and the student will have a fidget in there. Even if you blow it, let me show you. Pencil, if I put it over here, if the student blows it, you're gonna find it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and comment. If you have any other items that you're using in your office, I would love to hear what are those and what type of things you're using. This is like the magic one, kind of same old, like the glitter bottle, but in a different way. Students love that one. Squishy, stress ball. This is kind of the doodle board. This one you can find it at the dollar store, and students tend to draw, or they can scribble, scrabble, what they need. Okay, so let me show you this other type of fidgets. I do have even a mirror over here. We have this one. Let me show you more. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Another squishy. There you go. We have another type of puppet. This is like a puzzle type. This one is the therapy. This is, imagine, this is not slime, it's putty. And it does have a great smell. Okay, and students love this one as well. Okay, let me show you more. You can have Play-Doh. You can have this modeling foam that they love. This one is from Lakeshore. Let me show you this one to practice belly breathing. This giant slinky, you can find it at Five Below. You can practice breathing, or they can play a little bit until they calm down. And this one, I have a couple of more objects. I'm going to put the links down below. In this one, I usually have the plush. These ones are very famous. So from one side, you have this one, and you can hide it if you want, and then they can flip it. This one isn't actually a good reward. This one is a glitter ball as well. The fidgets. So much more. Another one that they're using a lot, and I wanted to show you two new ones that I found that I love. So this one goes in the keychain, in the lanyards, and they will hang it over here. This ones, they can squeeze it too. This type of animals, they come with different forms. It contains like sand inside, and you can stretch it all the way like this. And of course, slime over here. And let me see. This one is like a wallet, they coins, but you can save, even if you want to do a lesson and you want to save some cards inside in your positive affirmations, you can give it to the student, and the student will have it in there. So you can put some cards for them. And this one, there you go. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you can receive the updated notifications. And give us a thumbs up. If you like this shirt that I'm using today, or the other ones that I'm using in the videos, or one like this one, or one like this one, you matter. Make sure that you check our links below and where you can find our shirts. Hugs and kisses. Let's stay tuned. Bye.